Susan Arruda. I want to thank you for being a guest on my Sculpt and Strength Lab. This is my training platform where you and I get to train together. And I believe that if you're here, you're serious about training and serious about getting results. I am passionate about training and have been strength training since my mid-teens. And I've been training for over 4 decades now. And in my competitive career, I had some amazing things happen. I've won 6 fitness championships, even competing against women half my age. I've appeared in magazines, earned accolades by A-list fitness photographers and fitness celebrities. I got to share the stage with Tony Horton of P90X, Canadian celebrity trainer Tommy Europe. Wow, I never saw that coming. And of course, I'm most proud of my 2 children. I'm a mom of 2 and have trained through many different seasons of life. But the one thing that has remained the same is the passion for intense, challenging workouts. I love to train with intensity because we know that's what gives you results. And you will be able to explore workouts, search what you want to train, what you want to hone in on. I have a feature called Sculpt Like a Pro where you can just select exercise moves that dive into exactly the body part that you want to change, or you can do a full-length follow-along workout with me. Now, what I love about training, resistance training particularly, is that you can target sculpt. I've said it before, you may not be able to spot reduce, but you can target sculpt. You can literally change the shape of your body with different forms of resistance training, from body weight to dumbbells, barbells, to stability balls. There's so much variety in this training platform, and I'm super excited to offer that to you. And I hope you'll go in and explore because there's so much to see, so much to do. If you're concerned about injuries, make sure you check out my Do This Not That exercise library. And the cueing in my workouts is second to none. I want to make sure you don't get injured. I also have recipes that are my personal faves in there and a lot of go-tos. There's also the core foundations. Do not skip that. That is crucial for building core strength and stability that will transfer to all of the rest of your training. You can choose to follow my program called Sculpted, Slim and Sexy. That's a major bonus here. Or again, you can just do what you want and have the freedom to choose what workouts you want to do. And the best part, I'm continually adding new workouts and fresh content regularly. So when I send you an invite in a few days to join me long term, you'll know that this isn't just a one-time experience. It's an ever-growing training resource built for serious women like you. I will be guiding you as to what workouts I think you should try. But again, get in there, explore, have fun, train hard.